Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Let's get right to it on discuss the market for today. Remember, before we go further, guys. Remember, our content here is just for educational purposes. We're not to provide any financial advice, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So, this is out of the way. Let's get right to it and discuss the stock that have earnings. Under Armour is getting hammered in today after the earnings. Rocket Labs going up, going up as well. We've got a few unicorn for today. MRM after I think jumping up now is pulling back. SOUN jumping after and earnings yesterday after hours I think. So yeah, we got a few stocks to watch. AIB start to reverse a bit. We have to discuss AMD because did really great job for reversal yesterday, and SMCI the same. Currently below the $50 now, pulling back after a nice jump yesterday. We'll have to see if we're gonna have another jump for it because the cryptos and Bitcoin doing all right for a reversal, especially Ethereum getting near the 4,000. SPRU. Okay, guys, if you saw anything's moving, let me know so we could check it together. Like SPRU, I think have news, multi-year, multi-million dollar agreement. Huge news for SPRU, and now is pulling back to correct from this bottom, the 147. We got a huge action for this one. Yes, going toward the $2.24, maybe $2.87 after that. So let's see if we're gonna have some action for this one today. But yeah, it went down a big time and now it's jumping after this news. So SPRU looking great if it held the first support, the first red line here. Thank you, Elian. So yeah, 147. We need to hold it right now. Let us check the pre-market top gainers. Nothing much happening. Yeah, we got LZ. Maybe I think it's jumping because of earnings. Yes, I think it's earnings after hours. Anyway, so SPRU looking great at the moment. TTD chart, I will check it. And SGBX. SGBX and TTD. Okay, this one pulled back from yesterday after hours earnings. This one have a huge pullback. Thank you for bringing this because it looked really good for a reversal right now from the 52. Yeah, I will be watching the 52 guys closely for this one because we might have a reversal toward the 65 after that. So we got a really good action for this one for today. We might have a really great action if we held over the 52 because right now it's 33. We might have another dive 9% down, but so far so good. It might reverse at any moment, and we got a reversal zone around the 61.88. Yeah, 61.88, and the bottom should be the 52. So if we did some more around 9%, I might enter there. And SGBX on the other hand tested the resistance profit taking now around the 43. We have other level around the 57. In the time being, we have a bottom to hold over the 26. And the support at the moment is around the 34. And resistance 43 for profit taken 57. And we might have other levels around the 49. So we got 49, 58 for profit taking if we broke the 44. For now, we have to hold this support around the 33. If we held, we're gonna go up. TTD resistant now 61.88. If we don't break it, we're gonna go toward the 52.75 for a bottom. So I expect a little dip at the market open, then a huge jump to test the 61.88. If we broke, we're gonna have the 65 and beyond around the $70. Let me know if you're watching Night Trader, our live streaming. Otherwise, I will do the chart here. I will send it to you on Discord instead. The other requested stock we got, George asked about Lucid if the bottom is the $2.07. Let's see if George is here. George is here. Yes, bottom. I'll check it for you right now. Lucid bottom. Lucid bottom. Yes. Let's see. It broke the $2.24. We have the $2 bottom. Yes, the bottom is around the $2, give or take. Yeah, $2. It is kind of critical zone, or $1.90. It is too risky to play with the bottom because we might continue to dip. So make sure to not just buy and hold. Just make sure to buy and see if we held okay for a reversal. Otherwise, exit if we continue to go down below the $2. So yeah, if we held our closing candle 1 hour below the $1, mean we are dead. And reversal after that, we have a nice reversal might happen around around the $2.47. And after that, we have the $2.80 and the $3.23. Yeah, I'm gonna keep TTD at the list because look interesting. Okay, we got this. Yeah, this is the support. This is the profit and this level. And here should be a resistance as well and profit taken. Around the 61.88. For SGBX, yes, looking interesting right now for a jump. So I will keep watching it here. Yeah, we have a nice bottom to hold around the 34. Rocket Lab have earnings, jumped really nicely yesterday. I will watch it today as well. Okay, so we got AMD today. It is strong. It's getting near the resistant 180. Snap, nothing much. Right, it's pulling back. Watching plug for a breakout from the 160. For today, earning stock, we got, as we said, the Rocket Lab to break out here around the 47. We should keep this one our list because we expect some buying pressure for it. Yeah, 5% up or 5% down. UAA or Under Armour went down because of bad earnings. Yes, this one could be nice for a reversal up because it's getting near a huge bottom here. 7% up or 11%. Yeah, 7% up. We expect a nice reversal here. Tim, the same, did really great job of holding over this level, the 61. Again, this one might be, yeah, active during the markets. BMR is getting near the breakout zone here around the 43. Good morning, everybody. Yes, we got BMR still moving. IXHL, MRM. This one was top gainer, but I don't like the technical that much. SOUN 22%. It's pulling back. SPRU. Yeah, a lot of you asked me about this one, looking really interesting to break the 180. SGPX, the same, pretty active for today. And TTD is pulling back to the bottom. This one, yeah, it could be really interesting to watch after the bad earnings because it's 34% down. And if it's reverse, we expect a huge reversal. So I'm gonna add with this the other three: Rocket Lab, UAA, and TEM. TEM, UAA or Under Armour, and Rocket Lab. Yeah, those three had or have earnings right now. So I'm gonna keep them here on the list. Which one will be the one, guys? Let me know in the comment section below which one you think will be the main event for today. Okay, we have 1 minute left, guys. Let's get right to it and prepare for the market. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. The market is open, and let's see which one will reverse right now from those stocks. TEM pulling back, Rocket Lab. Wow, Rocket Lab is rocketing up, guys. TTD, nothing much. Let's see the other stocks. Yes, AMD jumping up a bit. Wow, TTD, guys, is going to the depths. UAA, I think, has started to reverse a bit. Rocket Lab is rocketing up. That doesn't give us any moment to have a chance to enter here. SGBX pulling back, SPRU, SUN, BMNR, Trine, UAE, TEM. Yeah, it's trying to break here, but yeah, Rocket Lab guys have earnings yesterday. That's why jumping like this. Rocket Lab is pulling back a bit. TEM pulling back. TTD, I think, is looking interesting for a reversal, guys, here. Yeah, I will watch TTD, guys. Look really interesting for a reversal. Good afternoon. So TTD, guys, it might be good for a reversal. I will watch it closely here because 52 should be a really good reversal zone. Rocket Lab is holding, TEM is holding, UAE is holding, but yeah, TTD, guys, might be good for a reversal at any moment. Let's see closely. If we pull back, yeah, it will be 2% here. We have a bit of hold up. Uh, anyway, let's see. Yeah, TTD is started to reverse. OIS. Why you tell me OIS, man? ORIS. ORIS. Yeah, I don't like the technical that much. It jumped and now it is holding sideways. It needs to hold over the 14 cent. It's too cheap for me to play this one. And it's heavily shorted, so too risky to play just below the 21. Rocket Lab, yeah, it pulled back a lot now. TEM, the same, is pulled back. SGBX pulling back. SPRU pulling back. I'm gonna keep the only one that looked great. SOUN. BUNR is pumping up, guys, over the resistance. It's going toward the 45. TTD, it's pulling back. We got TEM, nothing much. UAE, ORACE is going down. Yeah, TTD is pulling back a bit. We should hold over the 52 now. SMCI pulled back. AMD pulling back as well. Yeah, right is on the red side. Yesterday we have unusual pump for right, now it's pulling back. Plug is getting near the resistance. Let's see the other stocks. So we got this one jumping, LY, nothing, ABMB, nothing. SYM could be nice now. Yeah, SYM could be great. Let us see the top gainer for today. We got MRM, OPRX, but light on volume, LZ. Nope. Yeah, Rocket Lab is pulled back. Currently holding the 44, so it's not bad. TEM, the same, is not bad as long as we hold over the 61.51. MRM want to squeeze. I will check it out. How everybody doing? We got interesting market, really interesting market today. Yeah, this one is kind of slow now. Even the reversal didn't happen really quick. Yeah, TTD, I think we got a little bit of resistance there. I'm gonna lower the resistance for it around the 55. BMNR looking all right. We got MRM, nothing. SPRU, it pulled back down, so it's not good. SGBX bouncing. BTAI, yes, doing all right. Is hit the profit taken around the 440. Now it's going toward the 520. Yeah, TTD could be interesting to break here around the 55. Watching it closely. Wow, AMD they going again. We might have another jump for AMD if today it hold over this support. Yeah, it did a really good job. The same for Unity. We got nice jump for it. Yeah. GTD started to reverse, already reversed a bit here, almost 3%. Okay, TTTD, time for a reversal, at least just there around the 58.79. AMD jumping as well, Unity jumping, Rocket Lab pulling back. ORIS, yes, is a top gainer, but is pulling back a lot now. UAE, no more action for today. BMNR is still going up and strong toward the 48. And TTD is still waiting for a real genuine buying pressure up. I will wait for a reversal toward the 58 at least. We need the 58 now. Okay, so TTD guys, bouncing from the 54.88. If we held here, we're gonna have a nice reversal for TTD guys. Had earnings today, pre-market, a huge pullback. Its discount around the 37% down. This is it for a reversal. If we want to reverse, we should do it now. Anyway, PAPL halt, PTAI open door wants to blow, MRM melting, Oris, no. Oris, I don't like it, guys. It's kind of a trap. And SPRU, the same. BTAI, yes, PAPL. Or okay, this one is really light on volume, guys. It's too much risky. TTD, man, is kind of oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I think it's gonna break the support here. Oh God. I think it's not ready. If we broke here, it means it's not ready to reverse. Yeah, I think it's not ready. Might dip some more. Yeah. Gone, baby, gone. Let's see if we hold here. Nothing. really tight. This kind of trade, I call them teasing trades. Yeah, yeah, teasing trades. Oh no, not good anymore. Yeah, so no reversal for this one, guys. It's gonna go to the depths. So I don't like those kind of trade anymore. I learned my lesson. BMNR is going up, Oris is going down, so it's not good anymore. SGPX, SOUN, no, 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 no. They're not good. AMD pulling back, Unity pulling back. Let's see, plug, nothing much. AMD, Riot, yes, pulling back big time here. MSTR, Mara, nothing much happening, guys, nothing much. This kind of market is really slow today. Pretty slow for today. Okay, let's see. Rocket Lab is pulling back a lot. BMNR is still going up, guys. 48.40, it could be a major resistance. TEM is pulling back as well. Rocket Lab Dash pulling back. Bros pulling back. Yeah, today we got a undecided market, guys, so be careful. Yeah, we have undecision for the market because everything's pulling back or a little bit of green. Not big green for today. For Tim, I think is have a bit of struggle here. Yeah, it's pulling back a lot. It's pulling back toward the support. Yes, give or take right now over the 58. There's a chance for a reversal there. Let us check the other list. ORIS, yes, holding the 14. SOUN pulling back. SGBX didn't break the 43. SPRU still going down some more. Yeah, it's kind of inconsistent, the market, guys. It's pretty tricky to trade because we don't have a straightforward action. The only one is in green is Unity. Yeah, Friday always complicated, guys. Friday always complicated place to trade or time to trade. BMNR is the only one that's going straight to the profit taken around the 48. The rest is kind of undecided, like my ex doesn't decide where she want to eat or what kind of type of dinner she want. Undecision here for the market. Let us check the stock that been halted. LZMH PAPL got halted, but again, we said it's not that good. Yeah, it jumped a lot. Now it is hit resistant around $4.85. Yes, it might be good. Yes, if we held the 4.12 for PAPL. So yeah, it's not bad now. Martin Apollo, you said this last time with other stock, never went to $5 anymore. Today is yeah, a tricky day, guys. Tricky day. The only one that is looking strong is PAPL and BMNR. Unity might be good for today. Rocket Lab. We have undecision here. Let's see Unity. Yeah, Unity have undecision as well after the earnings, guys. We have a huge jump, then a dump. now is undecided if it's gonna go up again. $33, I think it's a bit far. Yeah, Unity is doing all right after the good earnings last Wednesday. Might bet on it to go higher today. At least another 2% might be good. Yeah, Unity, guys, it might be interesting to watch for today. If we hold the 32.53 would be great. But as you can see, the market is struggling for today. Yeah, everything's pulling back. So we don't have a trust from the bulls. So let's see. I'm gonna add another support just in case if we hold this support would be even great. Because we did bounce from it today, the 33.57. Anyway, this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and of course, have a blessed weekend. Remember, we're gonna do update later on our Discord if we have a really good play for day trade or swing trade. Meantime, stay blessed, and of course, see you all back by Monday next week. Have a nice weekend, everybody.